Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, March 23rd, and I want to say a little happy birthday to my mother. It's her birthday today, and so happy birthday, Mom. Hey, today we got kind of a quiet day, so stay tuned. We got a new loan program I want to kind of introduce to you guys, so maybe it might help you guys out. But first, we'll start with the economic calendar for existing home sales for the month of February. So, according to NAR's reports, we had January at 4.82 million existing home sales. Forecast is supposed to jump up to 4.94. It went up slightly, but not enough to meet the expectations. And of course, a lot of this is being blamed more onto the weather due to the Midwest and East Coast back in February. So, the first quarter starting out slow, not quite as bad as last year, but obviously slower than we probably were anticipating. Stock market's a little mixed today. For the most part, it's up, but Nasdaq's been kind of teetering on the verge here, like -1, -4. So it's not really down a whole lot today. The investors are kind of reeling in the news from last week, with the Fed's comments after the announcement. They're also kind of listening to a lot of Fed members that were speaking back last Friday, even perhaps over the weekend. They're kind of listening to some of the comments that were being made in those regards. So that's what's kind of driving the market today. Today, also, the bond market is showing a little bit of improvement. So basically, well, about the same where we're actually up about 1 basis point. Not enough for a price improvement, but basically about the same where we left off on Friday. So, which is obviously good news, and we see that, as you can see, that nice little spike that we're kind of still maintaining that range. So we have the potential, if we kind of keep within this range, to maybe even spike upwards even further. So, which would drive better interest rates in the near term as well. So stay prepared for it. We could, of course, it could have the opposite effect, but in the near term, it's possible we could see a little bit better in pricing as well. So stay prepared. Hey, to get back to you with the new loan program, it is and it isn't a loan program. Let me correct myself a little bit there. We came out we got a new investor for Jumbo here, where basically it's a true non-occupying co-borrower. So if you have some young borrowers that want to buy a property, and especially first-time home buyers, parents want to help out with them, they're able to do so. Some of these as a co-signers, especially if, for example, their ratios aren't working out to qualify on their own, so they need that additional assistance. Most of them don't allow that, or there are some that will allow it, but the caveat to those ones are they'll say that the borrowers have to qualify on their own in order to have the non-occupying co-borrowers to even sign on with those guys. So we have a new investor that will allow a truly blended ratios of non-occupying co-borrowers to sign with them. So that way you can, if they want to, if they can't qualify on their own, need the additional ratios, that's another tool in the toolbox, so to speak, that can help them qualify. Another one also we have is, in those terms, asset inclusion. So if they have a lot of assets and need some additional assistance, that's something else that can help them out. So anyways, you're going to probably see down the future more type of loan programs that help out the jumbos, more private financing with lower down payments. You also can most likely even see some stuff in terms for the boomerang buyers coming down the pike here. So stay tuned. You'll probably even see, even probably once those come out, you'll probably see better pricing as it comes. As they're trying to figure out where pricing is best, what the market is going to dictate, and more competition dictate on those. You'll probably see better pricing on those coming down the pike. All right, folks. Hey, thanks for listening. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend or weekday, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.